Welcome to Layla, the global marketplace for semiconductor parts and equipment. This is an introductory video on how to use the demand function on Layla as a seller. 1. When a buyer submits a request through the demand function on Layla, sellers in the registered product category will be notified through email. Click on the link below to view the specifics of the request you have been sent. 2. Go through the information and requirements the buyer has set for the item. In case you are able to provide the requested item, click on Supply Registration at the bottom of the page. 3. Fill in the information of the item you are offering to the buyer. The buyer who submitted the request will have exclusive right to purchase the item until midnight of the following day, Japan Standard Time. During this time, the item you are providing will not be viewable for other buyers on Layla. Once the time cap is exceeded, the item will be released as a listed item on the platform for all users to see. 4. Before submitting the offer, check all registered information carefully. Please provide as much information for the item as possible, as this will help make your product more attractive than other offers. 5. Click Register to finish your supply registration. Congratulations! You have now successfully sent an offer to the buyer's request. 6. At the top of the page, you can click on Demand List. This shows you all the items that are currently being demanded on Layla, even the ones that you have not been notified through email. You can see the amount of offers they have already received under the supply column and more detailed information by click on the request. Thank you for using Layla. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact our customer support team.